In this video, I'll show you how to use the button that is located under your Onn Roku TV to navigate through different settings, including changing HDMI ports, turning on and off your TV, and other options. So let me take my TV here and put it this way so you see better. You see right in the middle over here, I have a button. It's maybe hard to see, but there's definitely something sticking out. Now, maybe your TV has a button located somewhere else, but on my Onn Roku TV, this is where it's located and this is the only button around. So I'll put back the TV and show you how to use it. So you have two options to start with. The first one is if you long press that button, you keep it pressed, you don't remove your finger, the TV will shut down. So let me demonstrate. I'm putting my finger here, I keep it pressed, I'll get a message over here saying that TV is shutting down. I can now remove my finger and the screen is completely dark. You can also turn it back on by simply pressing once on that button. But what if you want to change some settings using that button? Well, you don't have to keep it pressed like we just did. You just have to press it once quickly, like this. And on this side, you'll have a menu appearing. Now, this menu doesn't stay there for too long. It only stays there for 2 seconds since it wants you to navigate through the different options. And how to do this? You press once on the button to appear the menus, and then you press just many times to cycle through the different options. Okay, so you have close, turn off TV, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, 3, the AV component, if you want to watch live TV, and home if you want to get back on this home screen. To select one of these options, you just have to release the button once it's selected. So let's say I want to launch HDMI 1. I'll press this button until I'm over HDMI 1. I release that button and it's now selected. Same thing if I want to select something else. Let's say I want to go home. I select home, I wait, and the TV select the option. So this is how you use the button that is located under your Onn Roku TV. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.